Welcome back to Everfit Nation, your go-to channel for fitness, nutrition, and living a healthy lifestyle. If you're looking to improve your health one small step at a time, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a supercharged vegetable that packs a punch, beetroot. Specifically, we're talking about what happens when you drink a glass of beetroot juice every day. Trust us, the benefits are amazing. Number 1, boosts stamina and energy levels. Did you know that beetroot juice can naturally boost your stamina? Beetroot is high in nitrates, which help improve blood flow. Drinking a glass of beetroot juice increases oxygen delivery to your muscles, meaning you'll have more energy during your workouts or even throughout the day. This is especially great for athletes or anyone looking for a little more stamina in their routine. Number 2, lowers blood pressure. One of the most well-known benefits of drinking beetroot juice is its ability to lower blood pressure. The nitrates in beets convert to nitric oxide in the body, which helps to relax and dilate blood vessels. This process improves blood flow and lowers high blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Imagine the impact this simple daily habit could have on your heart health. Number 3, supports healthy digestion. If you struggle with digestion, beetroot juice may be your new best friend. Beetroot is rich in fiber, which helps regulate your digestive system and prevent constipation. Not only that, but it also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which can improve gut health. Drinking beetroot juice every day can help keep everything running smoothly. Number 4, detoxifies your body. Beetroot juice is a natural detoxifier. Beets help the liver remove toxins from your body, making it a perfect addition to any detox routine. Over time, this can lead to clearer skin, better digestion, and a more efficient body. Number 5, boosts brain health. Beetroot juice has been shown to improve brain function, particularly in older adults. The nitrates in beets increase blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and potentially reducing the risk of dementia. If you want to stay sharp as you age, drinking beetroot juice could be a great way to support brain health. Number 6, enhances athletic performance. Want to perform better in your workouts? Drinking beetroot juice daily could be your secret weapon. Many athletes swear by beetroot juice for improving endurance and performance. It helps increase the efficiency of mitochondria, the powerhouse of cells, which can lead to better athletic performance. So if you're serious about your fitness goals, beetroot juice could be a game changer. Number 7, rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Beetroot is packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and potassium. It also contains powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and inflammation. So with every glass of beetroot juice, you're feeding your body a wealth of nutrients that can improve your overall health. So, there you have it. Drinking a glass of beetroot juice every day can boost your energy, improve your digestion, lower your blood pressure, and much more. Have you tried beetroot juice? If so, let us know in the comments below how it's helped you. And if you haven't, now might be the perfect time to add it to your routine. Thanks for watching Everfit Nation. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe for more health and fitness tips. We'll see you in the next video.